Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the proposed end of quarantine in Thailand. And there's been a lot of newspaper headlines. I'm just thinking off the top of my head, a couple of different publications have said, oh, quarantine to end by October of 2021. I think for now, the jury's still probably out on that. Now, I'm a little once bitten, twice shy on this. I was speculating into this, back at, mid-June of 2020 that we'd be out of it by August. And I was basing that on things that we were reading from some of the same sources that we're currently using to research the overall situation here in Thailand regarding quarantine and regarding restrictions and lockdowns. But again, the purpose of this video is to try to provide some insight as the situation evolves. And quoting directly from an article in Thai Visa, that's thaivisa.com, and they were basically quoting Bangkok Business News, or it appears to be, but quoting directly, Phase 4 from January onwards would see quarantine ended and free movement throughout the country, though a one-day quarantine with swab test might still be required. Tourists would still need to have been vaccinated twice abroad and have documentation related to that. And then quoting further, Thai Visa notes that this is all speculation based on Thai media sources at the Ministry of Tourism and Sports, and potential visitors to Thailand are advised to await official clarification probably this Friday. And this was published March 15th. And many thanks to thaivisa.com. There's a lot in here. Again, tourism reopening, 4 phases on the cards, no quarantine at all from October. But regarding that title, again, that's thaivisa.com, I thought that this was, I hesitate to say anything like misleading. That's not correct at all. But I don't think it captured the nuance here. Again, quoting from the Phase 3 in this same article, Phase 3, October to December, is called the Sandbox, and will be done from October to December in 7 specified tourism provinces that are mostly by the sea. Again, there's geographic restrictions to the notion that quarantine will have effectively come to an end in Thailand by October. And I've seen a lot of headlines saying that's going to happen. Bear in mind, to begin with, this is all speculation at this time. However, even what they're talking about does not overtly say quarantine is going to end. It simply says it's going to be effectively phased out in certain areas, and then January 2022 is when they surmise, and again, based on the speculation, so presumably this is kind of the best case scenario, that we would see a full lifting of all quarantine in January 2022.